Hi guys, I'm Mike and welcome back to Gear Up. Hi guys, I just want to say a massive thanks to everyone who's watched the last couple of videos and all those who have subscribed for the journey of this car. And if you're new to this channel, you don't know what this is my 2006 Ford Focus ST2 and this is the reason why it's rubbish. Now you've seen that bit with the engine, if you watched the last video, you'd notice that me and Mike took off the whole front end, took off the intercooler and everything, took off the turbo, and the turbo is broken. So instead of doing all the usual checks like you would do, like compression tests and all that, we're not going to do that. We're just going to put another turbo on and see what it does. So, if you come up... One thing we didn't show you on the video was this really big hole in there. So that's why I think the engine was smirking. And if we look here as well, I'll do a quick comparison. Like, look how much dirtier this one is compared to this one. So that's the controversial thing. What we're gonna do? We're gonna put the new turbo on. Oh, I just want to give a quick shout out to OJ Autos from Birmingham. Now they do say, Mike, you can't buy cars from Birmingham, don't they?
They do.
So I'm hoping we could buy car parts.
Yeah, we should.
No, he's all right. He's sound. He's got good reviews and stuff. But so today's episode, we're gonna get this on and see what it does. So to go with the turbo, we've got a brand new exhaust gasket. It's very nice. It's very shiny. I did buy some new bolts as well, but as you're gonna see in this video, I've got 2 bolts stuck in the head, and one of them I've kind of stripped on the mic a little bit.
You have.
So we're gonna go hybrid on the bolts. We're going to use some old ones, some new ones. Why has that just dropped out of me? I've been to your favourite place, Halfords, to get some more Juby clips because I hate them. I hate the stupid ones in there, so we're going to replace them as well. Should I get my red hoodie on and get some work done?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Don't do that, kids. Don't actually do that, that's horrible. Do you think we should dry this, Mike?
I don't know, mate.
Should we just full send this? Idiota! Get to spin it and put shit on for a change. So guys, we are currently going to Halfords because we have a stud stuck in the head, and for all our life we can't get it off. I haven't got a welder or anything, so we're off to Halfords to go and buy a stud extractor, don't you, Mike?
Yep.
So as you see from the previous clip, I absolutely butchered the stud. So we've been Halfords, we had to go to second Halfords, but now we've got a stud removal tool. So let's get this on and get this stud off, because otherwise I'm screwed. We messed up here, guys. We've got the bolt, but it's snapped right at the head. Now, I don't want to take the head off just yet. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the turbo on and we'll just have one less stud. And I am aware that it's going to blow if anyone does say anything and anything like that. So we're just going to get turbo on and we'll go from there. So let's get back to the work. Right guys, I've just seen it's been a week later. I ran out of time, had some family stuff on I needed to do, and I realised when I was editing there isn't actually a lot of footage of what we're actually doing. So I'm going to try and show you my best how we're going to do this, because I haven't got a camera and mic, so I've completely forgot to ask him to come around today. But I'm going to quickly show you how far we've got, and then we'll get going from there. So as you can see, the kind of got the turbo body back up a little bit. Just got to get, I think that's the one that's snapped there. So we've got to get that line back on, and then a few other bits, and we should be able to bolt this all back up properly. So guys, this is quite hard to film getting all this on, so I've managed to get the oil feed, the water feeds, and well, the oil and water feeds on the turbo back on. I noticed something when I was trying to put the manifold bolts in. If you don't know, I bought this car from Copart and it's a cut-in. I didn't realise that someone's already took this manifold off, because there's an extra 2 snap studs, as you can see from this clip. So I think at some point the head's gonna, well, I'll rephrase that. The head is coming off at some point, but I'm already here now, so I might as well get this all buttoned up and then see what it does and see if it does blow. Well, I'm pretty sure it'll blow, but you never know. So let's get back to the action. We'll fit all the intercooler pipe into the engine, and then we'll put all the stuff back on top of the engine, put the battery back on, put some water in it, and then see what she does. So let's return back to the action. Right guys, have you just seen? I've connected all the intake at the top. I've also connected the coolant line, because I thought that was broken, but it wasn't. It's because all the steam coming out, you didn't see this, but when I first had it, all the steam coming out was actually from the manifold, not from the exhaust. So what we're going to do next is get all the underside boost pipes done, chuck some water in it, and then put the key in and see what she does. So let's be hoping, boys. So guys, got everything bottled back up, just put some coolant in, got the battery on. Let's see what she does. Right, I've got to put the battery on charge. I had it on charge last weekend, and obviously, like an idiot, I thought it'd be fine. Clearly not. I'm only getting 7 volts for whatever reason. Like, the car doesn't want to unlock even though it's got power. The immobilizer's not unlocking. If you look up there, put the key in. doesn't want to do anything. So let's get the battery off and we'll continue this in the morning. Right guys, it's the next day. I tried this morning, still not working. For whatever reason, the key's now not working with the car. It doesn't want to work. The central locking on the car still not working, even though we have a little bit of battery power. When I put the key in, the immobiliser's not releasing. So you look in the middle between the fuel and temperature gauge. Doesn't want to do anything. Just nothing. Completely dead. Stereo is not even coming on. Fucking that. Some of this is working, some of it's not. This is the blower still works. Interior lighting, it's all not working. So I don't really know what's going on. This battery has been sat for a year and obviously not being charged because I bought this February 2023. So it's been a long time. I had the battery on charge and the charge said the battery was good. Could be wrong. I need to ask some questions. If you guys have had a similar problem with this, where your key's working, now it's not working. I've tried all the videos where you put the key in and you try and pair it back to the car. If you could help me, that would be great, and trying to point me in the right direction, because I am at a loss and it's very frustrating because it's literally took me a year to get to this point because of I've had a new baby and all that other stuff's been going on. And the day that I got it all car back, all bought it back up yesterday, and now it's doing this and I just don't want to start. But if you stuck around to the end, I thank you very much. If you could help me, that'd be great. And if you could like and subscribe and tell me what you think, or at least help me, please do down below. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you on the next one.